A little quick video. And I'm fogging up. This is my heavy duty truck as compared to my little Ford over there. Workman truck. See, I got stuff in the bed. That's a toolbox fuel tank combination. Fuel tank holds 92 gallon. Got a leak in the fuel tank, and of course I had it full. It's down low on the bottom, and I had to fill up every piece of diesel engine powered equipment I got, and I finally got all the fuel out of the tank. Going to upgrade to a steel tank instead of this pretty aluminum crap. More to post on that. Got my CB antenna mounted, fire extinguisher mounted, 10-foot fuel hose. Fuel pump filter is a water separator as well. And we get the tank out. I'll see if I can locate the hole and might repair it, might not. I'm not going to put it back in the truck. If I repair it, it ain't worth the risk. I got real damn lucky. It started out as a drip. I think, well, it sloshed out of the cap maybe. Next day that drip was a little bit faster drip. I said, I got a problem. 2 hours later, that drip turned into a steady stream, and by the time I got up to the farm and parked the truck to open the gate, it left about 18-inch diameter stain on the gravel up there in about a minute and a half. So it's leaking about half the diameter of a pencil. It is a hell of a leak. So anyway, I'm going to upgrade to a 100-gallon all steel toolbox and see how that holds up. This fuel tank only about 6 years old, and funny thing is it's already been obsoleted by the manufacturer, which tells me they've had other problems with leaks developing. So they just discontinued the line and went to something different. So I get the new one installed. I'll post more about it. And today, later on today, I got to empty out the toolbox, remove my antenna and fire extinguisher and that fancy hasp I got for the padlock on the toolbox, and get it ready to pull and install the new one. New one about $1,300 brand new, and that's installed. And I use these fuel tanks a lot because all the equipment I got, plus when I'm on the road, I only put road diesel in them. I don't get tax exempt farm diesel. I don't use enough a year to justify the paperwork requirement in Texas. So if I get cheap diesel and go to a high cost diesel state, I never buy diesel up there. I just fill up from the onboard tank here in the bed. Save me a bunch of money. Anyway, that's all for today. I'll post another one when I get the new one mounted. Thank you.